Today we are going to learn about the document required for preparation of bank reconciliation statement. If you want to prepare bank reconciliation statement, we need two important documents, namely cash book and passbook. Let me see. We need two documents. First document is cash book. What do you mean by cash book? Cash book means in triple column cash book. In triple column cash book, we have three columns. In the three column, we should choose the bank column. We should choose the bank column. So cash book means in triple column cash book, bank column. So we can say cash book or bank account. Cash book or bank account. Listen once again. If you want to prepare bank reconciliation statement, we need two documents, namely cash book and passbook. Cash book means in triple column cash book, we have one column called bank column. That column we have to choose for the preparation of bank reconciliation statement. Yes. So in triple column cash book, we have bank column, that is nothing but bank account. That is nothing but cash book. Cash book has two sides, namely debit side and credit side. Debit side, receipts are recorded. Debit side, receipts are recorded. Credit side, payments are recorded. Debit side, arithmetical sign is plus. Debit side, arithmetical sign is plus. Credit side, when we make payment, arithmetical sign is minus. Students, cash book has two sides, debit side and credit side. Debit side, all receipts, cash receipts are recorded. Credit side, all cash payments are recorded. Debit side, the receipt side, arithmetical symbol is plus. Credit side payment, arithmetical symbol is minus. Next, we need one more document called passbook. We need one more document called passbook. Passbook also known as bank statement. Passbook also known as bank statement. It has three column particulars: debit, credit. Debit side, all withdrawals from the bank are recorded. Credit side, deposits are recorded. Students, passbook has three column: particular, debit, credit. Debit side, all withdrawals from the bank. Credit side, all deposits with the bank are recorded. Now I am going to write the arithmetical sign for debit is minus. So for withdrawal we can mark as minus. For credit side we can mark as plus. So students, very simple. Cash book debit side, arithmetic sign is plus. Cash book credit side, arithmetical sign is minus. Passbook debit side, arithmetical sign is minus because it is a withdrawal. Credit side is plus. Now we'll solve the problem. Prepare bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Somu as on 31/12/2016. So I recorded bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2016. Here balance as per cash book is given. If balance says, that is favorable balance, so we can say debit balance or we can say favorable balance. As per cash book is given, we have to find credit balance, that is favorable balance. As per passbook we have to find. Okay, so balance as per cash book is recorded. Next, interest on investment collected by the bank. Interest on investment collected by the bank. Interest on investment, where the transaction was recorded in passbook, it was recorded. What they did, when they collect bank interest, it was added in the passbook. So in passbook it was added. In passbook it was added. Now what we have to do, for cash book we should give opposite effect. For passbook we will give same effect. So this transaction taken place in passbook, it was added. Now we have to do the same thing. So interest on investment, interest on investment collected by bank. Interest on investment collected by the bank, transaction recorded in the passbook, it was added. So we have to do the same thing. How much? 5,000. Next, third one, bank charges debited. Bank charges debited in the passbook. So passbook debited means what they did? Deducted. So it was deducted in the passbook. What we have to do? We have to do the same thing. Bank charges debited in passbook. Bank charges debited in the passbook, how much? 2,000. Next, bank interest credited in the passbook. Bank interest credited in the passbook. Credited means what they did? Added. So it was added in the passbook. Here also we have to do the same thing. We have to add bank interest credited in passbook. Bank interest credited in the passbook, we have to add it. So I did a mistake. Bank interest credited in the passbook. Bank interest credited in the passbook, how much? 7,000 rupees. Next, fifth one, very very important. Wrongly credited in the passbook. What is it? Wrongly credited. In bank reconciliation statement, we should not consider the word wrongly. So now you read without the word wrongly. Credited in the passbook. Credited means in passbook it was added. Now we have to add. Wrongly credited in the passbook. Wrongly credited in the passbook. How much? 7. Wrongly credited in the passbook, how much? 3,000. Once again, wrongly credited in the passbook. So we need not to consider the word wrongly for BRS. Credited in the passbook. Credited means what they did in passbook, it was added. So here what we have to do? What they did in the passbook, we have to do the same thing. Okay, we have to add that. Okay. Next, sixth one, very important. Check deposited rupees 10,000 not recorded in the cash book. Check deposited rupees 10,000 not recorded in the cash book. So check deposited not recorded in the cash book. Where it was recorded? It was recorded in the passbook. What they did? It was added. Now also we have to add. Check deposited recorded in passbook, not in cash book. How much? 10,000. Once again, check deposited rupees 10,000 not recorded in the cash book. So check deposited not recorded in the cash book. So where it was recorded? It was recorded in the passbook. When we deposit check, what they did? They will add. So in passbook it was added. Now we have to do the same thing. Next, very very important. Cash book debit side overcast. Cash book debit side overcast means more. Cash book debit side more. So cash book debit side more. More means what they did? Added. Cash book debit side more means what they did? It was added. Now what we have to do? We have to give opposite effect. We have to deduct. So cash book debit side overcast. Cash book debit side overcast. How much? 10,000. Students, once again, it is a new transaction. Cash book debit side more. So cash book debit side more. More means what they did? They added. Here what we supposed to do? In cash book it was added. For this first method we should give opposite to the cash book. So we have to deduct. Next, eighth, very important. Cash book credit side overcast. Credit side more. Cash book credit side more. What they did? It was deducted. Now we have to add. cash book, credit side, over cost. Cash book credit side over cost, how much? 6,000. Next, 9th one, passbook credit side over cost. Passbook credit side over cost. So what they did, it was added. So what we have to do, what they did in the passbook, we have to do the same thing. We have to add passbook credit side over cost. Passbook credit side over cost. Passbook credit side over cost, how much? 5,000 rupees. Next, passbook debit side over cost. Passbook debit side over cost. What they did, deducted. Here also we have to do same thing. Passbook debit side, passbook debit side over cost. Over cost, how much? 7,000 rupees. Now we will close this. 11, 21, 24, 31, 36. Once again, I am repeating, 11, 21, 24, 31, 36. Here total 19,000. So 216 minus 19, 791. So our credit balance as per passbook is 1,97,000. Students, listen carefully. In this problem, we learned undercost and overcost in relation to the BRS. Students, listen carefully. Cash book debit side. Cash book debit side more. Cash book debit side more. Cash book debit side more, which means cash book credit side less. Both are same only. Cash book debit side more and cash book credit side less, both are same only. Likewise, cash book credit side more, cash book debit side less, both are same. Likewise, passbook debit side more means passbook credit side less. Passbook credit side more means passbook debit side less. Students, be thorough with this. In this problem, we completed overcost and undercost transaction in relation to the bank reconciliation statement. In next class, we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.